Hello everyone, welcome back again to me. Now I will continue to discussing about the feedback of week 2 on 11 January 2023. Okay, the result was, I'm sorry, 0. Again man, 0% what I'm doing here. This is completely a mess, I think. I don't know what is happened here. Let's see. I don't remember again. And now we have to remember again. Okay, completely wrong trade, wrong direction. Okay, in here maybe I thought that was still in consolidation. Okay, so I'm expecting one bullish candle here, but the problem was it's touch. All right, it's already touch, and if that was already touched, then I'm kind of have similarity like this before, but I'm not pretty much sure where is that. This is touch level 14. This is a weak level, major downtrend, fake breakout of consolidation. Okay, this is what I'm expecting before in the previous days. And you see, the problem here was in the previous day we have flat EMA 200 and 100. Here we have slightly down point EMA, so it's forcing to the downtrend, and also the area was very in the strong area of a downtrend. So this is why I'm doing a call option here, only based on consolidation. Okay, so this decision is based only of consolidation expectation, which is the support at the 40.6. But the reality, I'm not comparing with the trend major and the location probably. Okay, the location is a little bit difficult because you see upper and lower shadow, and this is kind of 2 deviation, and yeah, this is the important thing that I'm not adjust, which is the major downtrend could happen. Okay, so that was it. And the important one also, 14.6 was too much retest. Okay, so it's getting weak, it's a weak level and getting more weak, so this happening. That is the first one. The entry was good, but the context was wrong. Again, the second trade was OTM. This is very sadly, okay, why I'm against this shooting star in the strong area in the major downtrend. This is completely unaware. Okay, I'm feeling that here I'm not aware of anything. Okay, I'm just because of this, it's kind of revenge trade also happen here probably. I'm just not so aware with even the candlestick. Why we have to risk the shootings against the shooting star in the strong trend in the possibility of major downtrend? Only this level, this is level 23.6 or 76.4. This is not so strong level, and that is why. Okay, so this is it cannot be maybe I here was executing the trade with some kind of, you see, sometimes I'm comparing a bigger candle. Okay, so 1 2 3, maybe I'm expecting only from the candlestick, not from the context itself, which is a downtrend strong area. This is not recommended trade, and this is the worst trade ever that I'm done. Okay, let's continue to the number 3. Number 3 was a little bit of impatient, I think. Here we should not do any trade, okay, because this is not the truly engulfing. The major was downtrend. I'm expecting following the downtrend here. The expectation was right, but you see here my entry just exactly at the closing price, so this is getting lost because of digital, and that is why. Okay, so here is basically we do not have to trade because we don't know if happen reversal or not, or we can trade on here. Okay, because this is in significant candlestick, which is a shooting star. So the wicks is a little bit strong here, but this is impatient. Okay, I'm expecting this as only a fake because I see this trend, but the reality is not. Okay, it's getting back to here, which is in the higher time frame. This is a fake breakout. So bad entry point, bad expectation of the market, which is highly that the trend is end in this kind of not so strong downtrend, but it's a downtrend. So this is kind of things is happening. Important blues hammer. Okay, so based on that, all is the key. I think the key is the first perception, the first of perception of our brain. Okay, so what is you see in the first line when opening the chart, and that will be the context that lead you to do a trade. If you wrong with the context, you wrong with the trade. I think that is will be implemented, because this is a hammer, not a hammer. It's like that. It's like a doji. It's like a bullish dragonfly doji in 2 candle, and this is was a bearish, and this is was like a shooting star, could be. Okay, so the problem here was it can be a downtrend on the strong trend with a retracement of 86, but in some kind of this kind of consolidation, it could be also only a fake breakout. Okay, so it's making a bullish inverted hammer in the next 2. Because of this, they move in this context. They do downtrend breakout just for the kind of a fake breakout. So this is kind of a morning star, and the price could be hitting up again. So that is what happening, guys. The first expectation is very important because it lead you to the next choices. So thank you, guys. I think that was the trade. All is getting lost, and see you in the next days feedback.